guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys around my room. It's pretty small, so it's probably going to be a fairly quick video, and I was kind of stuck on what video I wanted to put up this Friday. Well, recently I've been seeing a lot of like people doing room tours again, and I know that's kind of like an old YouTube thing, but I guess since everyone's doing it, I might as well do it too, right? Anyway, so I'm just going to take you guys around my small square of world, so a small square of the world. So yeah, let's just start on this side. You guys watched my last video. I just have 6 canvases painted on the wall. I painted these. I'm just gonna shut that door. In my last video, I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I usually film in front of this wall, so I like to keep it pretty open in case I have to like put like a table here and do like a DIY or something. So there's really nothing on this side of the room because this is kind of like where I film. But then moving over here, we just have the TV. We have it mounted up because it creates, you know, a lot more room on the floor, and I feel like since I have such a small space to work with, I like to, like, you know, what am I trying to say? I like to maximize my use of space by being smart about where I put things. Okay, so underneath the TV, we basically have my desk that I've had since like high school, and the reason why I still have it is because it's really small, which, you know, obviously will leave a lot of room for other things in the room. It's basically my editing desk. I use it for editing, and then under here I use it for drawing and like doing my planner and all that kind of stuff, so there's not really anything too crazy down here. Because this thing pulls out, I don't have a proper desk chair. I literally have to use this like stool, because if I have like a proper chair, like my legs like can't fit under that. Under here we have just my sewing machine, because you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen in the past, I've done like sewing videos around Halloween and stuff, and then just like some TV stuff. And then in here I just have a bunch of like different like camera little bits and pieces that I don't really have a spot for. And then back here I just have my little light up sign. Oh, this is the camera that I use for vlogging. It's a Sony, what is it? A Sony A5100. This actually belongs to Tyler, but I use it for vlogging. Let me know if you watch my vlog channel. I'll leave it linked down below. And then of course, if you know me, I have like a variety of Polaroids. Please, again, ignore the dust. I know I should probably dust them, but I just don't. So I have, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Polaroids here, the original 600 cameras, and then I have like an Instax wide up here, and like a little itty bitty camera up there. And oh, this is my Mexico turtle I got in Mexico. So I don't really have like a spot to put my lights, so I'll either put them in front of the closet or just in front of this wall over here, just so that they have somewhere to go. This is Tyler's jacket. And moving over here, I'm not gonna open this curtain, even though you can probably kind of see through it anyway, but literally back here is just like a buttload of everything that won't go anywhere else. Like there's camera stuff, there's like luggage bags, like fabric, like like all kinds of stuff that I don't have anywhere else to put. That's it, everything just goes in there, and I just try to hide it with a see-through curtain. And this is the latest addition to the bedroom. So if you're watching my vlog channel, the vlog that we got this desk will be up on Sunday, but me and Tyler went to IKEA so that we could create like a little like recording space. So we have the IKEA table that we just got. It's the Linman table with the Adidas legs, the 39-inch one, and then we have this IKEA chair. Underneath, I just have like, I had this stuff here before and I had nowhere else to put it, so I just kind of had to hide some stuff underneath of here. And so this is just like DIY stuff I use for DIY videos. This is just like old tech stuff and like some notebooks and stuff. And then of course I have another Polaroid and some Polaroid film, some more cameras, and all of my Polaroid 600 photos are in this box back here, which you probably can't see, but that's where I keep them. Pro tip, it's good to keep them out of the sunlight because the sunlight can actually fade your Polaroids, especially if like they're the old like 600 Polaroids. So try to keep them out of the sun because the sun can fade them. So this is Tyler's MacBook he uses for mixing and recording and stuff. And the main reason why we got this desk is so that we'd have somewhere to like mix. So we have our Rocket 5 speakers here, a little MPK Mini Akai MIDI controller. We have Tyler's iPhone 6, my friend's headphones that I usually use to mix. And then we have some pictures. This is actually from a DIY video that's really old. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to see it. But this is actually magnetic. It's a piece of wood that I painted with magnetic paint. And now I use these little magnets to stick pictures to it. This backdrop here is actually from Wish. I got it a long time ago, and I've used this in so many videos since I got it. I just hung it here basically to store it because, as you can see, when you fold it, like the wrinkles stay forever. So I hung it here, and I kind of like it because it kind of like I don't know, it works for filming, so it's not just like a plain blue wall. And for some reason, my blue walls show up gray on camera, so I don't really know why, but it just does. So on the window seat, I'll just do like a close-up, like over thing after I'm done this part, so you guys know what I'm talking about. I just have some stuffed animals and some pillows, and really that's it. If you notice, I have a lot of turtles over there. I just like turtles. So I have had this for pretty much ever. It's kind of gross on the top, but it is what it is. I have my pink zebra stripe straightener. I have one of these mirrors. I got this for Christmas from my cousin Jess, and this is one of those mirrors where like if you like go up to it, like it's like super clear. Oh, and the light turns on. And it's also one of those mirrors, if you flip it to the other side, it's like 10 times magnification, which is sometimes a little bit scary, but you know, you just gotta remember that you're a human and you have hair on your face. So all of this is just like face hair stuff that I use on the daily. I have like this little thing Taylor gave me with a bunch of pictures of me and my friends, and then I just have like a ton of Polaroids, because what else would you do with them other than stick them in the cracks of your mirror? And this is just a pile of little things that I don't really know what to do with. Some more Polaroids, and then we come back to the door.
Oh, it's me in the mirror.
Yeah, so that is basically my room. Nothing too crazy. If I said I was going to link something, I'll try and remember to link it down below for you guys. Thank you for watching, and also leave it in the comments if you guys have a room tour on your channel, because I know a lot of people that watch my YouTube videos also have channels. So if you guys want me to check out your room tour on your channel, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Friday with a brand new video. Bye!